Feel yourself in this moment. Know that you are alive. The person breathing is you.
Think of the lessons you have learned. Think on how you have grown. Thank yourself for this growth and willingness to learn.
Feel your connection with your community, the lines of energy that join us together in joy, love, and strength. Thank them with your heart for the laughter and support.
As our harvest weekend comes to an end, we look back one last time with gratitude and appreciation on what we have been blessed with in our own harvests. And with great gratitude, we honor all the harvest blessings flowing to our loved ones and to our community. Now we raise energy and project it as blessings for our loved ones and for our whole community. As we release these names that have been bound and protected in our sacred circle, we send blessing upon them. Watching flames dance, seeing sparks and smoke rise, envision the blessings of love, joy, health, and perseverance being carried into the sky, into the universe, to all the powers that be, and to your most blessed loved ones. May you never hunger.
May you never thirst.
Now we prepare to close our circle.
A circle of light has surrounded and protected us, but now it is time to release it. See it shimmering and beginning to separate atom by atom.
With our intentions, we gather it back in.
Until the pieces slowly sink back into the earth. Take a breath and remembering all the things that you want to take into you, take with you from this circle. Hold those for a moment in your heart.
And we open our larger community circle. So mote it be.
As we say farewell to the divine, the elements, and all other beings that have joined us in our sacred harvest rite, we know that they are never truly absent, and we offer them thanks.
To the God, Lord of harvest and bounty, of who I am, who lives so proudly with love and trust, we say go if you must, but stay if you will. Stay if you will, as our love overflows. To the goddess of gold and land of light, she holds us in her bodice, safe from strife. With love and trust, we say go if you must, but stay if you will, as our love overflows. I say to the all and nothing, I feel you both in everything. With love and trust, we say go if you must, but stay if you will, as our love overflows. I speak to my ancestors, many lessons have taught us with love and trust. We say go if you must, but stay if you will, as our love overflows. The earth is our body, mother to us all. She is strong and stable, making our labor. Please hear our call. With love and trust, we say go if you must. By the water our blood, by the waters that flood, you nourish and cleanse, purify, care for our lands. Oh, stay if you will, as our love overfills. Oh, fire, our bright spirit, roaring in the night. You share passion with us in the brightest of light. With love and trust, we say go if you must. The air, our breath, sweet wind of life, powerful storm, and breeze of inspiration. But stay if you will, as our love overfills. All beings of light, of world and divine, thank you for your presence and for sharing your time. With love and trust, we say go if you must, but stay if you will, as our love overfills. As our love overfills.
Our harvest rite has ended, and while the circle will be broken, the blessings of our community shall remain. Blessed be.
Unbroken, may the peace of the goddess be ever in your heart. Merry meet and merry part, and merry meet again. Circle is open, yet unbroken. May the peace of the goddess be ever in your heart. Merry meet and merry part, circle be open, but unbroken may